day as always. Welcome back to my channel. How are you? Let me know down below. Today is LUSHMAS day 3. I hope you guys are enjoying this little series on my channel. I wanted to do something festive and exciting for December, so let me know how you're feeling about the whole situation because I'd love to know, and I'm enjoying filming, so yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Today's video is going to be another Lush one, obviously, because it's Lushmas, has to be Lush themed, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my updated what to buy from Lush with £50 to spend. Now this selection of things is actually very different from my past stuff, so I'm quite impressed with myself. I've gone on the website, I've picked out what I'm absolutely obsessed with at the moment, and I wanted to share with you what I would recommend to you guys to buy for £50. My basket contains 6 items, which I think is actually pretty decent considering what I've got in here. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to jump right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first thing I think you should buy is the Scrubby Body Bar. Now this is delicious. I'm telling you, if you want soft, silky, moisturised, chocolatey vanilla scented skin, this is what you need in your life. It's £9. It is quite expensive, but it's so worth it. I get so many uses out of this, by the way. I tend to use it while I'm in the shower, or if I'm in the bath I get out of the water, if you know what I mean, and then I put it somewhere dry to dry off so that it's not constantly getting wet and melting from like the heat of the bath and the shower. And yeah, honestly I absolutely love it so much. I've mentioned it in a few videos. I think I've got about 4 in my drawer. Like, I'm obsessed with it, and I honestly think you guys will love it too, so definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. It has got an exfoliating kind of factor to it, which I think is ground coconut like shell, so it is really exfoliating, but it makes your skin like silk. Like, after you've shaved your legs, thank me later, you are welcome. Next up is something a little bit different, and that is the Twilight Shower Jelly. Now I love the Twilight scent, you guys know this, I'm very well aware, I'm obsessed. However, the shower jellies I feel like don't get mentioned that much, and I just don't really think about mentioning them too much. I don't know what it is, I just forget they even exist, but when I use this I'm obsessed. They last for absolutely ages because what I do is I leave it in the tub and I get a loofah and I just like shove my loofah like around on the top of the tub, if you know what I mean. Gets a lather, you don't use much product, and it just works so well as a body wash. I'm a massive fan. Also with the shower jellies, if you didn't know, in the summer if you put them in the freezer, so good. It's like a cold shower gel. It's amazing. So you're welcome. You can thank me later. And the large one is £11, but trust me, it will last you forever. It's so good. I had to include a bath bomb, and the bath bomb I chose is the Dragon's Egg bath bomb. Now if you haven't tried this bath bomb, why? It's amazing. It smells like lemon sherbet, and it has popping candy and confetti and gold glitter in it. It is like a party bath bomb. It's one of the first bath bombs I ever tried. The first one I had was Space Girl. This was the first bath bomb I bought when I worked there, and it just has a special place in my heart because it smells like sherbet, but it's so lovely and so sweet but sour, and like, oh, it's just hard to explain, but it's so good. And the water at the end goes this really beautiful like orange gold glitter situation, and it's just stunning. 10 out of 10. You cannot get better. It's amazing, apart from Twilight obviously, but it's amazing. So you guys need to try it. If you haven't tried it, it's definitely a good one. You're welcome. The next item I thought I'd pop in is a face mask, and if you've been watching me for a while you will know that I'm obsessed with this one, and this is the Mask of Magnum Minty face mask. This face mask has saved my skin. I'm telling you, any breakouts, any irritable bits and pieces going on, I will always use this face mask, and it just sorts me right out. Obviously it's not going to suit every skin type. If you're really sensitive, I probably wouldn't use it because it is really strong in like mint, so it's probably not going to be very good for your skin if you're sensitive, if you know what I mean. But if you're not sensitive and you've got a bit of oiliness going on, a bit of a breakout situation going on, I promise you this face mask is amazing. It's so good. Touch wood, I'm quite lucky with my skin. I don't tend to get too many breakouts, but if I do, it's usually on my forehead or on my chin. So this is where I focus that mask, and I literally put it all over, I let it dry, and then when I wash it off, I do it in circular motions, and it kind of acts as an exfoliant as well, and it just makes my skin so fresh, so clean, and I love it. The next item is something I haven't mentioned in a little while, so I thought I would chuck it back in and kind of remind you guys to buy it because it's amazing, and that is the new Shampoo Bar. I love it. I do have to admit, this has gone up in price. It's £8 now and it used to be £5, so I don't really know what's going on there, but it is quite expensive. However, it is so, so good. It's a cinnamon shampoo bar. So scent wise, if you don't like cinnamon, you're not going to like it, but it's more the function of it that I like. It helps to stimulate your scalp, enhance hair growth, and I just really, really love it. Obviously, I have really super short hair. My hair naturally is about here. This is all extensions. If you guys have seen my video, you will know that this isn't my real hair. I wish it was. But honestly, I've used new Shampoo Bar in the past when I had blonde hair, and it really encouraged my hair to grow. And I cannot recommend it enough. It's so, so good. I love it. And it is definitely worth the £8. And also, one bar will last you roughly about 3 months because you don't need much at all. I used to just take it on my hands and kind of do like a circle around the edge, one halfway through, and just rub it in, and that was it. And it was just amazing. So 10 out of 10. Love the shampoo bars. New is my favourite. Although they have released quite a few new ones, so I might try those, but new is always my favourite. Number 1. And last but definitely not least is the Sleepy Body Lotion. Now this one is £9 for the smaller tub, but I love Sleepy Body Lotion. It's honestly my favourite body lotion that Lush have ever done. It smells like Twilight, so as you guys know, I'm obsessed. Great before bed, makes you super relaxed, but I just put it all over my legs like once I've got out of the shower or the bath, and it just makes me so soft, and it just works well as a hand cream. The scent of it, I just love it. Like, I can't even like scream about it enough. It's the best like body lotion ever, and I really, really think you guys will enjoy it. If you like Twilight and you like sleepy fragrance stuff, it's a 10 out of 10. It's amazing. So my total came to £49.95. I think I absolutely smashed that, I'm not gonna lie. So you're gonna have 5p change, so you can keep that and enjoy that for something else. But that is everything. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I know it wasn't overly long, but I wanted to share with you guys an updated what I would buy in Lush with £50. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are enjoying LUSHMAS. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in my next video, which will be tomorrow. Bye guys!